All right, guys, we're talking about the circuits homework here. I got a couple answers. I'll talk through them, but I'm going to do the labeling part. So draw the direction of all current. So remember, current goes this direction, negative to positive, and all of these negative to positive. We got series, parallel, and neither. This one's kind of neither. You only got one load here. This one's in series, and this one is in series. So that's part A. When you add a light bulb in series, like it's dimmer, so this one is most dim. Most. This one is more dim, and this one would just be considered, I guess, dim, or the brightest. So least to most bright, most dim. Okay. Why does the light get dimmer? Well, remember what's happening is as I add resistors in series, the overall resistance goes up, which is causing your voltage to decrease. They all have the same current, but they do not have the same voltage. Okay. So if you unscrewed the first light bulb like this one, would that one stay lit? The answer would be no, because the current would not be able to flow. Okay. So technically, or we're going from negative to positive here. This one isn't entirely clear. So battery, that little, if you were to just look at one, the little nub is the positive side, the flat side is the negative. So since we go from negative to positive, they all flow that direction, or all flow this direction, or all flow that direction. Okay. So series, parallel, and technically this one, since I have two loaded like that, that's series. This one, this part is in parallel. We'll ignore the indicator bulb, and this one right here would be parallel. But the reality is both of these have parallel and a series component as well. But we'll just consider that. So when I add in parallel, the light gets brighter. So which one is dim, more dim, and bright? So this one right here would be the brightest. That's bright, which would be dim, and even more dim right here. Wow, this takes forever. More dim, or most dim. So what does the indicator light get brighter? So the resistance is going down. When I add light bulbs in parallel, the resistance go down. So my current is increasing, which causes a increase in the brightness of the bulbs. If I unscrewed one, and this one would be no, but in these ones, yeah, they would still do it because the current can go through a different pathway still. So in a series circuit, all components have the same current. In a parallel circuit, all have the same voltage. What it tells you is basically like, hey, can I identify parallel versus series and direction of current flow? That's really all I got to worry about here, and you'll be all right. I'll present things more in this fashion tomorrow or on Thursday. All right, guys, that's it. If you got questions, let me know. Love you. Bye.